Hi everyone, and welcome to Time to Draw, where you are going to learn how to draw with me, James. Thank you so much for joining us today. And I hear we have a very special request from a very special INC kid.
Hey Bird James, can you teach me how to draw some superheroes?
And so you heard it. Today we are going to draw some superheroes. I'm so excited. I hope you are as well. And all you really need to follow along is a piece of paper, or you could download the special drawing sheets from incmedia.org. You also need a pencil, a pen, a marker, crayon. Doesn't really matter as long as we are all having fun. So let's get started drawing some superheroes. And let's get started by drawing one that is, I don't know, say flying. Doesn't that sound like a lot of fun? Let's do one right now. So let's get started drawing our flying superhero. Now, as you've seen in our previous tutorials, I always start with the head, and I will always start with a circle for the head. But before I go into any more detail with the head, I'd like to figure out where the rest of the body is going to go. So I'm going to add another circle. It goes around like so. Now, remember, if I'm going way too fast for you, feel free to pause this video so you can catch up so we could be drawing at the same time, okay? So this will be his body, okay? So it's like he's flying towards us, okay? Now, one thing I will do is sometimes when superheroes fly, they have a closed fist like this. So I'm actually gonna draw that first, probably somewhere out maybe around this section here. And when it's coming at us, it's actually pretty big, almost as big, or if not as big as his head. And now I'm going to draw an oval behind it, and that will be the lower arm. And I'm going to draw another oval behind that, and that will be his upper arm. Okay? So you got 1, 2, 3, like that. Now for the other arm, this is what we're going to do. I'm going to actually make this oval just a bit smaller. I'm going to add a little circle here on the side here. That's his other shoulder. Draw a little curved line here. That will be his bicep muscle. And then I'm going to have the arm coming down like this. Okay, so I'm going to draw an oval going like this. It's like his arm is on the side here. Okay, and coming down like that. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to draw two of the legs here, but because they are far behind, they're actually going to be smaller. So I'm going to actually draw an oval, and I'm going to go ahead and draw an oval like that. All right, great. And I'm just going to make sure the head is looking better. So I think you could already see our flying superhero coming together. Okay? I might actually curve this just a little bit more, like that, okay? So let's go ahead and start with the face, okay? So like always, I'll always start trying to find the midsection of the face. So I'll draw with a curved line down like that, and then I'll draw a curved line that goes straight across the middle of our shape there. That's gonna help us determine where the eyes are. And I'm gonna draw another curved line down like this, another one like this. When they go straight across, that's where we're going to find out where the nose is. The nose is going to be here. And another one that goes halfway in between the nose and the chin goes like this, okay? So this is where one of our eyes is going to be on this side. Why don't we go ahead and draw in that eye, okay? You know, our lines are a little dark here, so why don't I just erase a little bit of it. Might be a little dark, but I'm going to go ahead and draw in our eye. So I'm going to go ahead and draw a curved line that goes like this. And then I may add just a little bit of a triangle on the side here. That is like a little eyelash, okay? And now I'm going to draw a big circle like that, like so. And then I'm going to go ahead and fill this in like that. Okay, you can see the eye there. Now I'm going to draw the bottom of the eye. I'm going to draw like a half circle right underneath it, okay? Now let's go ahead and draw in the eyebrow, okay? So right above this, I'm gonna draw a little curved line, or a little line that goes like that, and comes straight down like this. Maybe make it a little thick, because thicker eyebrows, like so. Okay? Now, let's go ahead and do the other side. Okay, from this point here, let's go ahead and draw a curved line. Goes around like this. And then I'm going to add another circle inside. And I'm going to fill it in, but leaving one little tiny white dot there. Just like that, okay? That's the highlight of the eye. And then drawing a circle right underneath, or a curved line right underneath there. Maybe connect them if you want to. And now let's go ahead and draw an eyebrow on this side. Let's go ahead. Draw that in like this, just like that. Great job, great job. Now let's go ahead and draw the nose. So from here, this point right here, I'm actually going to draw a curved line that goes like this. Very small curved line up like this, and then have it curve just like that. A very, very simple nose. Very, very simple. I might even add another dot here. That's going to be the nostril. Maybe a little curved line here. That's going to be a nostril. And now let's make him smile. Because he's flying. He'd be happy. I'd be happy if I was flying. So from our other line here, I'm going to draw a line that goes straight across and up, and a little curve there. So he has a little smirk. And maybe right underneath it, I'm going to put a little line there, just like that. Okay? Now let's go ahead and draw the side of his head. So from the eye, I'm going to draw a curved line that goes up a little bit like this and over like that, like so. And then from here, I'm going to draw a line that goes straight down like this, maybe to this point here, close to where the nose is. And then now I'm going to curve this down to maybe here. And then from here, I'm going to draw a little curved line at the bottom, like so, and then have it come up like this. And maybe curve up just a little bit. Okay, now let's go ahead and draw the ear. See how we made this line that was here? That'll probably be the top of the ear. And it goes down like that. Okay, maybe we'll draw a hint of another ear on the other side here. Just going to draw a little curved line just like so. Just like that. Now let's go ahead and draw the hair. Okay, so from this little guideline that we have here, let's start from roughly around here, this point right here. I'm going to draw a curved line that goes all the way around like this, maybe to here. And then maybe I'll bring that back up, come down again, and back here and around. Okay, so it's like he has like a little bit of hair flaring up there. And then from here, I'm going to draw a curved line that goes all the way around to here, maybe right to here. And have that come down to the side of the head, like that. And from here, curved line to maybe there, another curved line. Okay, so that's the side of his hair there. Now the other side, let's start from this curved line here. Let's start from this point right there. Right there. I'm going to draw a curved line that goes like this. And then have it come down a little bit like that. Okay? So let's go ahead and draw him flying, okay? So you see this little shoulder that we made here? I'm going to start from this point here, and then I got to draw a big half circle like so. Just like that. And then from here, I'm going to draw a little curved line from here to maybe the top of this ear, just like this. The other side, I'm going to draw a curved line that goes from here, this point here, over like this. And then I'm going to draw a curved line that goes all the way around, from here all the way around to maybe here. It's going to go all the way around, maybe there. Okay? Now, from here, for the bottom, I'm going to draw a curved line that goes from here, goes all the way around to that shoulder, just like that, okay? Now this is what I want you to do. Under the head here, I'm going to draw a little rectangle. One here, one there. And then I'm going to go ahead and draw two curved lines here like this. This will be his cape. Just like that. Great job. Okay, now let's go ahead and draw on this hand here. Let's start right here at the top of the hand. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to very roughly, I'm going to do this roughly. I'm going to put in the fingers here. I'm going to add 1, 2, 3, 4 fingers. Okay, just little ovals. That's all that is. And then I'm going to have one more. And I know you guessed it, this is the thumb. And one more at the bottom like so. And then maybe I'm going to draw a half circle like this. Okay? And then come down, maybe do like a little semicircle like this. Right underneath. From here, maybe from this point of the curved line, I'm going to do one curved line that goes all the way around like so. On this side, so we have the hands here, maybe from right in the middle here. You see how this comes in a little bit? I'm going to draw a curved line that goes like this onto the thumb. And then from this point here, I'm going to draw another curved line that goes all the way down to here. From this line, maybe starting around here, I'm going to draw a curved line that goes like this. And from this side here, I'm going to draw one little tiny one here like that. And then from here, I'm going to draw one curved line that goes all the way around like this. Okay? That's the arm. Great job. Now I'm going to go back here. I'm just going to outline the top. And I'm going to outline the inner parts here. 2, 3, just like that. I might add a curved line here and a curved line here, and one line around. Okay, and that is the hand here. And hopefully you were able to follow along. If I went too fast, stop the video. You can rewind it if you have to, if you can get this hand right. Okay, on this side here, let's draw in the other arm. Okay, I'm going to draw in that little half circle like so. From here, maybe around this part of the shoulder here, I'm going to draw a curved line that goes from here all the way around to here. Okay, so it goes from here all the way around to here. And I'm going to draw a line that goes around here like this, a curved line, like that. Okay, I'm going to rough in a little circle like this, like that. That will be its thumb. Okay, so and then I'm just going to draw a curved line from here to here, all the way around like this. And then from here, we're going to do a weird curved line. It's going to go up and around. Watch very closely, or watch me do it, and then you do it. I'm going to go up and around. And then I'm going to draw one curved line like so. Maybe here I'm going to draw like a circle, like a little oval. Just like that. Now let's go ahead and draw in the leg here. I'm going to draw a line that goes from here, goes all the way down to here. And now I'm going to draw a little curved line. It's going to go up and around, maybe stopping right here. Up and around, stopping right there. And then I'm going to have this come up all the way here. Like that. That's one of his legs, and his legs are bent. Then the other side, maybe from here, draw another curved line, maybe stopping here, and have it coming up like that. Almost done. We're almost there. Just a couple things we're going to add. Okay, we're going to have this cape flow a little bit. Okay, so I'm going to draw a line that goes from here and has a curved line maybe down to here like this. From here, I want you to curve it so it goes all the way to roughly around here. Now curve it back up all the way to the arm like that. Okay, let's do the same thing on the other side, but I'm going to start on this side of the arm. I'm going to draw a curved line that goes like this. Have it come around and curve back up. And now let's finish it off. All I need to do is do one curved line, starting from this point. Have it curve up and around like that. From here, I'm going to draw a curved line that goes from here to the hand, and from the hand around to the back. Okay, and there you go. This is our flying superhero. Now at this point, you could add little details to it all you want, as much as little detail to it as you like. You have fun with it. You design his outfit, okay? Design it any way you like. Now from this point on, I'm going to actually go ahead and start to color this. You could try to follow along if you want, or honestly, just choose any colors you would like, anything that you think, any colors that are your favorite, anything that you think will make your drawing special. And there it is. That is our final drawing. Congratulations, you did an amazing job. In fact, I want to see your drawings. Why don't you take a picture of it or scan it in and email it to us at info@incmedia.org. And in fact, I had so much fun drawing the superhero. Why don't we do it again? For the next episode of Time to Draw, we will draw another superhero, but this time doing another cool action pose. So don't miss the next episode. Thank you so much for joining us today. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and remember, wherever you go, tune into INC Kids, where there is always time to draw. Bye-bye.